at you guys with another Pinterest inspired makeup tutorial. Now this one is fitted around fall because Mika gave me the idea of doing a fall makeup look, especially since tomorrow, September 23rd, is the first day of fall. And so since I don't film on Saturdays or Sundays, I decided to go ahead and do the first day of fall for you guys. Even though I've been doing fall looks, I'm pretty sure my makeup Instagram is full of fall looks by now, but I decided to do another one because I love fall. Fall is my favorite season, and also my honey gave me the idea. So, but here is the inspo picture that I got my inspiration from. Now I did mine a little bit different than hers because, like I said, I don't always have the same like color theme or the same like palettes or shadows that they're using. So this is what I found, and I ended up doing a little bit darker because I wanted to do a fall smoky eye look. So I used the same like color combination, but my green was a little bit darker. So but I really like this look. So yeah, this is where I got my inspiration from. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you guys have been liking. Sorry about that, guys. Technical difficulties. My storage is full. But anyways, like I was saying, let me know in the comments what you like and don't like about the tutorials, and let's see if I could change it up a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though, and let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial before it kicks me off again. I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for the support and the love and every post and everything that we do. Also, make sure to check out all of our other videos because I do YouTube videos with my fiance. This is a duo channel, so you guys can also find information on transgender stuff as well. He is a transgender and FDM, so if you guys are interested in any of that, you guys can go and check out our other videos, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Peace and love, and let's get started with this tutorial. Hey guys, so here I am just hydrating the skin. Like I tell you guys in all my tutorials and my posts, I like to hydrate my skin. My skin gets really dry, especially in the winter time and stuff like that, and if I don't hydrate my face, I'll look like a cake face, and we definitely don't want that. I'm also doing my brows and also going in with my Gucci Beauty concealer. I hate that I'm using this because this concealer is super expensive and I'm trying to make it last. But I am dealing with it because my NYX HD concealer ran out and I don't have any more. Here I am just using my sponge to blend it out too. Guys, I have to admit though, this might not be my shade, but it looks really nice, and I'm starting to really like concealing my brows because of this concealer. And also, I almost dropped the sponge. I was on Space with Shelly and another friend, and we play a game on Roblox called Adopt Me, and I was getting distracted. So yeah. But I was only on there for a little bit of time, so I, wanted to say hi to them because I was doing this. But anyways, I am going in with the BoxyCharm Hey Charmer palette, and I'm using that white shade. I'm using this to kind of conceal or set the concealer, and that way we can start putting the shadows. Then I'm going back in with that same palette and taking this orangey, like tan nudish shade, and that is because if you guys remember the image that I showed you at the beginning of the video from the Pinterest picture that I got the inspiration from, they use a orangey yellowish color, and I got really inspired. So I tried getting to the shades as close as possible. Like I've said in all my Pinterest videos, that I don't always have the correct shades or similar or exact shades, so I try to find similar shades, and that's what I did. And Mika helps me a lot with finding the shades too, because let's be real, I'm not good with trying to find exact shades, and he's helped me a lot. So then I'm going in with the Sculpture Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going in with this other like orangey color. I also put that too, I don't know where that clip went, but I put a little bit of that orangey color, and then I went in with the darker brown in the crease. I felt like that orangey was a little bit too dark, so I only put a little bit on, and then for the brown I went into the crease and I'm blending it out the best that I can. So my look is a little bit different because I went with a little bit more of a darker green, as you guys will see later on, and that is because I wanted it to be a smoky look. I haven't done a smoky eye in quite some time, and I love smoky looks, especially in the fall time. And so that is what I went with this look, is I just darkened the green. She went with like an olive green, and this is the green that I went with. It's more of a darker olive green, and with that brown kind of setting on my lid, it turned it into a smoky eye, which I really liked. So here I am applying that green on the lid, and then I'm obviously off camera. I'm going to go in and blend this a little bit more. I don't always like blending a lot on camera because I feel like I take a long time. I'm kind of like a perfectionist when it comes to my makeup. I try to like make sure that it looks nice and stuff like that. So here I am cutting the edges with the concealer and also concealing my under eyes. So everyone does their concealer differently. There's never a right or wrong way of doing it. I mean, there is a wrong way of doing it, but that's like just like a line. But you could do like the dots, or you could do like a triangle, or you could just do the sides. They change it all the time. Back when I got into makeup like really hardcore, and I had it in makeup Instagram, I think it was like 2012, 2013, when I like was doing my own YouTube channel, they had it to where it was the dots. That was the correct way. And then a couple years back it was the triangle, and now it's like some weird like 3 dots and that's it. I don't do that. But anyways, here I am curling my lash. So as I was saying before Naruto rudely erupted by barking, is I'm curling my lashes and then getting them ready and prepped for my false lashes. And then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild, which Mika was making me laugh. That's why I'm laughing. Black eyeliner, and I know I'm looking down, you guys can't really see. I have a bad habit of this. Also, my hair was not done yet, as you guys can see. I was trying to get ready for the day, so I was doing my makeup first. Here I am applying that brown to my lower lash line. I felt like the brown would just make my eye color pop a little bit more, and the green was a little bit too dark. Then I'm going in with these LA Color lashes, and they're called Dynamic. I've been wearing these for a couple of days, and I have to say, for $1.24 at Walmart, they are so worth it. So if you are into lashes and you're into makeup and you're looking for cheap lashes, run to your local Walmart and look and see if they have the LA Colors. I forget what the collection's called, but they're in boxes like that, and they're literally $1.24. They are so worth it, in my opinion. They feel amazing. I'll just have to make a whole review on YouTube for you guys, not being paid or sponsored, but I'll have to do a review for you guys because they're so amazing and I want to try the others. But here I am applying my foundation. I am just using a brush to kind of put it on, and then I go in with a wet beauty sponge. And this is my last sponge, you guys. If you believe it or not, if you guys remember, I had a blue sponge and I had a black sponge. Well, thanks to Naruto, he bit my sponges and messed them up. So now I have to buy new sponges, which sucks because sponges can be kind of expensive if you can't find the cheap ones, which I may just have to make an order at Shop Miss A, because they have a variety of pack of sponges for $5. So I may have to do that. But here I am just applying the foundation on the other side as well. And I was doing this because the last time when I did a makeup tutorial, I realized that I took too long and a little bit of the foundation got dried. So I am starting now to try to pat my skin right away after I apply the foundation, because I also have a fan pointing on me because it's still hot here. So yeah. And then here I am just making sure that all that foundation is blended in and that it looks nice. And yeah. And by the way, wet sponges are amazing for people with dry skin. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, my Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink blush, and this new highlighter by Makeup Revolution, which I forget the name of it already. But if you guys haven't seen my makeup haul that I posted, I believe the day before yesterday, you guys will see that highlight in that video, and the name should be there. So if you want to know what it is, go and check out that video. Here I am applying my bronzer and trying to blend it in, make it nice and stuff like that. Guys, I used to never be good at bronzer, and I just want to say, if you're trying to learn how to do makeup, just give yourself patience and time. That's what I did, and that's how I got better, because I watched a lot of YouTube videos as well. Like, a lot of tutorials helped me. I loved watching makeup tutorials, which is why I do them, because I found them so interesting and so fun, because everyone does their makeup so differently, and it's just fun to see everyone's different looks on makeup and stuff. I really want to do some without lashes, but I feel that's going to be on a day where I see that more people want that. So if you want to see some looks without lashes, let me know in the comments, because I can definitely do a tutorial without lashes. Or if you want to see a look without concealer, or a look without all this blush and highlight and bronzer. I know this looks like a lot, by the way, but that's because it's not blended yet. Everyone thinks that I'm finished here. No, I go back in and I blend more. So here I am blending. You see that, girl? I am blending away. Then I'm going in with this lip gloss. I don't know why I didn't film myself putting it on, or where that clip is, but I did film it. But anyways, here I am. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is how it looks after. Bye, guys.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.